Hello guys. Today I'm going to walk you through how I color this art style. Before we start, I want to say that I got inspiration from Disney animation, especially the Up movie. The art style seems really simple and easy to draw, so I did some sketches on paper before drawing it on digital. Before we start, I am going to show the colors that I'm using. First, I'm going to lay the base colors. Next, I am using a darker tone for eyes. Don't just use white, cause it will look weird and too bright. So turn down the saturation before using these colors. Next, I am using colors and slowly blending them using blur tool and smudge tool. Make sure to do the lightening in a separate layer so it's easy. Next, I am showing you guys another time lapse I practiced with different lightning.